पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद। पूर्वपक्षी when he said there is apurva vidhi in atmajnanam, Siddhanti gave how many vikalpas? 4 vikalpas. First vikalpa was आत्मज्ञाने विधि। द्वितीय विकल्प वाक्य श्रवणे विधि। तृतीय विकल्प
स्मृति संतानम विधि।
स्मृति संतानम। चतुर्थ विकल्प now we have to see page number 226 टीका। अर्थ प्राप्त्या, सेकंड पैराग्राफ, अर्थ प्राप्त्या विधेयत्वाभावम उपसंहरति तस्मात्। सो देयर इज नो विधेय, सो विधेयत्व अभावम उपसंहरति तस्मात् अनात्म विज्ञान स्मृतीनाम आत्म अवगतेः अभाव प्राप्ति। अनात्म विज्ञान स्मृतीनाम, स्मृति संतति इज नॉट देयर, स्मृतीनाम आत्म अवगतेः अभाव प्राप्ति। So when atma jnanam is there, anatma jnanam is not there, anatma vijnana smriti will also not remain. ठीक है। अनात्म स्मृति हेतु अज्ञानाभावाद इति तत्शब्दार्थः। वेयर इज तत्शब्द?
तदर्थ ज्ञान स्मृति।
Where? Where is तत्शब्द? पुस्तक में देखो, वेयर इज तत्शब्द? तस्मात्, तस्मात् इज तत्शब्द। तत्शब्द पंचमी इज व्हाट? तस्मात् अनात्म विज्ञान स्मृतिना, राइट? अनात्म स्मृति will not be there. Why? पंक्ति
अनात्मा अवगतेः अभावः।
Which line I read just now?
अज्ञान अभावात्।
अज्ञान अभावात्। अनात्म स्मृति हेतु अज्ञान अभावात् इति तत्शब्दार्थः। In टीका I read this line. Anatma smriti hetu is what? Ajnanam. Ajnan nivritti will happen by what? Jnanam. When jnanam comes, ajnanam goes. Ajnanam is not there, then ajnana karya, smriti, anatma smriti will not be there. Further, arthatas chideka rasa atma swabhava balat iti yavat. Arthatah, what is praptam? चिदेक रस आत्म स्वभाव बलात् अनात्म स्मृति अभाव। तो आत्म स्वभाव बलम is so much that अनात्म स्मृति will not happen. दृष्ट फलत्वाच्च आत्म स्मृति न विधेया इत्याह। दृष्ट फलत्वात्, Vidhanam, whenever it is there will be adrishta phalam. If there is drishta phalam, it is not part of vidhanam. Like bhojanam, you eat, you will get drishta phalam. When drishta phalam is there is no vidhi. You just eat without any veda vidhi. Drishta phalatvacha atmasmriti na videya in bhashya. पारिशेष्यात् आत्मैकत्व विज्ञान स्मृति संततेः अर्थतः एव भावात् न विधेयत्वम्. पारिशेष्यात् आत्मैकत्व विज्ञान स्मृति संततेः अर्थतः एव भावात्. Only one is remaining. If there are two, then you have to do vidhanam, do this, don't do that. If only one is there, where is the question of vidhanam? Parisheshyat. What is the meaning of parisheshya? प्रसक्तस्य प्रतिषेधे शिष्यमाणे संप्रत्ययः. प्रसक्तस्य प्रतिषेधे शिष्यमाणे संप्रत्ययः. शोक मोह भय अशनाया पिपासादि दुख दोष निवर्तकत्वाच्च तत्स्मृतेः. शोक मोह भय अशनाया पिपासादि दुख, all these are sorrowful, pain giving. Dukh, shoka, moha, bhaya, ashana, hunger, thirst, pipasa आदि दुख दोष निवर्तकत्वात् तत्स्मृतेः. तत्स्मृतेः, what is tat? Atmasmriti. Atmasmriti is nivartaka of all these shoka moha. Every time I have shoka, if I remember I am Brahma, then shoka nivritti will happen. If I have moha, moha means dehoham, kartaham, I did something, nobody is paying attention, nobody is. Immediately, what should I do? Remember, I am Brahma. I am not this karta. Or bhaya, what will happen tomorrow? Ashana pipasa is there. When bhojan is available, you eat. If it's not available, I am Brahma. For Jnani, every time they have to remember I am Brahma only. Ashana pipasa is there. Brahma smriti is, that is why it is called Brahmastra. It is ultimate weapon to remove all problems. Tika. You eat. No, the problem here, what is said is, when ashana pipasa becomes dukkha. So for drashtanta is, let us say 10:30, you already ate food. And there is no food in your room, and you don't have a scooty to go to buy something, you don't have money, and you have taken a vow that you will not eat from shops. And Ratri Bhojan is only after Shiv Mahimna at 8 o'clock. And you get Ashana. So then how will you take care of it? So then next time when Kshetra opens, they will give you food. So we are not saying that every day all you do is just, I am Brahman. But there will be times when you will have to starve yourself because food is not available. Shoka moha bhaya ashanaya pipasadi dukkha dosha nivartakatva. Tika. Mithya jnanam eva sa nivartayati na shokadi iti ashankyaha. मिथ्या ज्ञानम एवं सा निवर्तयति. सा का?
अविद्या.
अविद्या मिथ्या ज्ञानं न निवर्तयति, सा आत्मस्मृतिः, आत्मस्मृतिः मिथ्या ज्ञानम् एव निवर्तयति, न शोकादि somebody is asking. इति आशंक्याः विपरीत ज्ञान प्रभवो हि शोक मोहादि दोष. Because of viparita jnana, you have shoka moha dosha. So viparita jnana, anytime if it comes, immediately you have to use atma jnana. See, those people who, because of their ahankara, because of their mudhatva, if they say, no, I will not use atma jnana, even if I have studied, I want some other solution, for them, shoka mohadi nivritti will never happen. You have to use atma jnanam. This is the abhyasa. Whenever any problem comes, first jnanam should take care of it. Then you take worldly solution like this hunger, etc. First I should remember I am Brahma. Then whatever solution is available, you use it. There is nothing wrong in that. Vedanta doesn't say don't use the world. But the world is used by the one who is not me. So my atmatva buddhi in this sharira is giving problem. Because hunger is in this sharira. The moment I stay away from this sharira, then let whatever has to happen to this sharira, let it happen. I am Brahma. First is this. Generally what happens for Ajnani, we are so occupied in solving that problem, we don't want the knowledge to be remembered. Or it doesn't come. Everybody wants to solve the problem. See, what is the objective of studying Vedanta? When we have understood karma cannot solve my problem, when we have understood upasana cannot solve my problem, before that we have understood paristhiti-vada cannot solve my problem, we have understood karma upasana samuchaya will not solve my problem, and we know jnana karma samuchaya cannot happen. Only when we know all this, then we are seeking jnana. After seeking jnanam, if all we want to do is solve my problems by paristhiti-vada, karma-vada, upasana, when are you going to use this jnana? Not only in classroom. To solve my real life problems, I have to use this. I have to remember, I have already understood paristhiti-vada will go on doing only change this, change that, here, there. There isn't going to be any solution. I have already tried this for so many janmas, 40 janmas. Karma as solution to my problems, I have already tried. It works. It is anityam. I have understood. I don't want that solution. It is never going to be my primary solution. Upasana, it is not going to be my solution. When I have understood all this, then only I have come to Vedanta. If I say I have not understood that, because Vedanta opening was there, they said you want to attend, you attend, I started attending, that person doesn't have viveka. When a person has understood the anityatva of everything, that person when studies Vedanta is going to apply Vedanta. Others are going to study Vedanta to tell others I am studying. They are never going to apply. And that's why their emphasis always will be how with karma I am going to fix this. How with upasana or paristhiti vada I am going to fix this. You will never be able to fix. That is the promise already declared by Vedas. That is why you have come to Vedanta. So, person, when we have studied Vedanta, then my first solution is I am Brahma, I am not the one who has problem. Shoka, see, Vedanta is not saying we will remove your Shoka, Moha, Bhaya, Ashana, Vipasa. Vedanta is saying you are Brahma who doesn't have problem. So first you get established there. Then you look at this Ahankara as Drishya. You are Drashta. What is the problem of this Drishya Ahankara? First thing you tell, this Ahankara has been having problems all along. This ahankara means not somebody, you yourself. There's so many janmas, this is the story. This janma also it has been continuing. At least after studying Vedanta, now I know this ahankara is like this. But what to do if I don't solve something? This ahankara is going to bother me because I have empowered this ahankara who is sitting on my head now. This is what you have to tell yourself. Then whatever problem is there, accordingly you take the solution. If you are feeling cold, take some warm clothes, over. But understand, the one who had problem is not me, the one who is getting solution is not me. I am Brahma, Brahma doesn't have problem. This is the way you will do Brahma Chintana. Otherwise, before studying Vedanta, problem came, I solved the problem with karma. After studying Vedanta, problem came, I solved the problem with karma. What difference did Vedanta Dhyanam do? Nothing. This should not happen. विपरीत ज्ञान प्रभवो ही शोक मोहादि दोष. Shok, moha, bhaya, all these doshas are coming from viparita jnana. Viparita jnana means not remembering I am Brahma, but thinking I am this ahankara who has all these. So Atma Smriti immediately will say, this is not me, stay away from this problem. Atma Smritehe Shokadi Nivartakatve Manam Aha. How Atma Smriti will remove Shokadi? In that Pramanam is given. Tathacha Tatra ko moha kashoko kashokaha kashoka ekatvam anupashyata. Ishavasya Vidwan na vivheti kutasya. What is the mantra? Tatra ko moha kashoka.
यस्तु विज्ञानवान्
आत्मैवा भूत विजानतः यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मैवा भूत विजानतः तत्र को मोहः का शोक. सो एकत्वम अनुपश्यतः को मोहः का शोकः. इन दिस वे देन विद्वान न विभेति कुतश्चन. दिस इज ब्रह्मानंद वल्ली. यतो वाचो निवर्तन्ते अप्राप्य मनसा सह आनंदम ब्रह्मणो विद्वान न बिभेति कुतश्चन इति. अभयम वै जनक प्राप्तोसि. दिस इज बृहदारण्यक. विद्यते हृदय ग्रंथि ही मुंडक छिद्यन्ते संशयाः क्षीयन्ते चास्य कर्माणि तस्मिन् दृष्टे परावरे इत्यादि श्रुतयः. टीका. चतुर्थम उत्थापयति. चतुर्थम उत्थापयति. उत्थापयति, what is the dhatu?
Stha dhatu.
Stha dhatu. Then what happened to sakara? उदः स्था स्तंभोः. There is a sutra. उदः स्था स्तंभोः पूर्वस्य. स्था धातु and stambha dhatu. Stha stambha dhatu. In that, if ut upasarga comes, then sakara lopa will happen. Instead, it will become tha vikalpena, its lopa will happen. So, utthapayati, two thas or one tha, utthapayati. Sutra number is 8461. Udah stha stambhoho पूर्वस्य. And utthapayati pa, where is pa coming from? Arti, Hri, Li, Ri, Knui, Kshmayatam, Pugnav. This is the sutra 7.3.36. Stha dhatu, akaranta dhatu will get pug agama and all these other dhatus also. So stha, nya, all these dhatu will get. Nirodha. Now what is the fourth vikalpa? Chitta vritti nirodha. Nirodhas tarhi arthantaram iti chet. Tarhi then arthantaram anyo artha arthantaram. Nirodha, chitta vritti nirodha. Let us do that. टीका यदि वाक्योत्थ ज्ञानादेहे अविधेयत्वं तर्हि चित्तवृत्ति निरोधो मुक्ति साधनत्वेन विधीयताम्. यदि वाक्योत्थ ज्ञानादेह देहे अविधेयत्वं, if you say वाक्योत्थ ज्ञानम is not videya, it's avideyatvam if it is there, then chittavritti nirodho mukti sadhanatveena vidhiyatam. Let's do vidhanam of chittavritti nirodha. People like it. I will withdraw all these things. Mukti sadhatvena vidhiyatam. Tasya ukta jnanadehe arthantaratvat. And it is, arthantar means it is different from whatever you have said, that vakya shravana vidhi or jnane vidhi, etc. This is different. So let us do that. Chodyam eva vivranoti. Athapi. अथापि स्यात् चित्तवृत्ति निरोधस्य वेद वाक्य जनित आत्मविज्ञानात् अर्थांतरत्वात्. अथापि means here also स्यात् चित्तवृत्ति निरोधस्य वेद वाक्य जनित आत्मविज्ञानात् अर्थांतरत्वात्. So अर्थांतरत्वात् तस्य विधेयता. So here also, because it has some different meaning than the three vikalpas that we discussed and you refuted, here it is slightly different. Therefore, there can be videyatvam, and it is Veda Vakya Janita Atma Vijnanat Arthantaram. Because what Purvapakshi wants to establish, in Veda Vakya there is no Vidhi. So he said after Veda Vakya there is something else. Therefore, in that there could be Vidhi. In Chitta Vritti Nirodha, which is after Veda Vakya Janita Atma Vijnanam, it is different from Veda Vakya Janita Atma Vijnanam. Therefore, there can be Vidhi. Arthantaratvat tasya videyata. Therefore, videyata is possible. Iti shesha. Tasya mukti hetutvena videyatve yoga shastram samvadayati. And this chittavritti nirodha is mukti hetu. Who says? Yoga shastra is saying. Purvapakshi is saying. Tantrantareshu cha kartavyataya avagatatvat videyatvam iti chet. Tantrantareshu means Siddhantantareshu. In another Siddhanta, like Yoga Siddhanta, not Advaita Vedanta. There, this is Kartavyatva. Kartavyataya Avagatatvat. This is Avagata through that. And therefore, Videyatvam iti chet. See Tika. Tikakar gives Yoga Sutras here. Atha Yoga Anushasanam iti. Nishreyasa hetuhu samadhi sutritas. Tasya cha lakshanam uktam yogaschitta vritti nirodha iti. So first sutra is atha yoganuशासनम, and that yoganuशासनम is for nishreyasa hetu samadhi sutritaha. Now what is the lakshanam of samadhi? The lakshana of yoga. So it is on yoga chitta vritti nirodha iti. चित्तवृत्ति निरोध तन्निरोधावस्थायां च आत्मनः स्वरूप प्रतिष्ठत्वम् इन दिस निरोधावस्था आत्मनः स्वरूप प्रतिष्ठत्वम् कैवल्यम आख्यातम तदा द्रष्टुः स्वरूपे अवस्थानम दिस द नेक्स्ट सूत्र इन निरोधावस्थायां च आत्मनः स्वरूप प्रतिष्ठत्वम् स्वरूप प्रतिष्ठा is there that is given by the next sutra कैवल्यम आख्यातम तदा द्रष्टु स्वरूपे अवस्थानम इति एवं योग शास्त्रे मुक्ति हेतुत्वेन इष्टो निरोध विधि इत्यर्थः and therefore in yoga shastra निरोध विधि is mukti hetutvena ishta this chittavritti nirodha is ishta as a mukti hetu yoga shastradapi balavatim shrutim now acharya says you have quoted yoga shastra is smriti only I will tell you that which is more powerful than smriti that is shruti yoga shastradapi balavatim shrutim ashritya uttaramaha न मोक्ष साधनत्वेन अनवगमात् चित्तवृत्ति निरोध इज नॉट मोक्ष साधनम भाष्यकारस स्वर्णिम शब्द मोक्ष साधनत्वेन अनवगमात् किम चित्तवृत्ति निरोध इज नॉट मोक्ष साधनम सी now भाष्यकार नहीं वेदांतेषु ब्रह्मात्म विज्ञानात् अन्यत् परम पुरुषार्थ साधनत्वेन अवगम्यते and that is why we have to be more alert when we study Vedanta and we should be able to use Vedanta to solve our problems means to remain away from ahankar which has problem. This is how you solve the problem. What is the promise of Vedanta? We will solve your problems. How? How? Not by solving, by
Saying that
recognizing mano buddhi ahankara chittani naham. I am not these. Where the problem is. This is how we are going to solve the problem. So if I study Vedanta, but I don't use this method, it is like I buy most expensive things and I don't even know where they are in my house. I am not getting benefit out of it. What is the use? So like that, anything. Like say, many times it happens. I have a medicine and I have a disease. But I don't know I have the medicine. So disease continues, suffering continues. Like that, I have the solution. Brahmatmaikya Jnana. I don't know how to use it, when to use it. So I use my old ways to solve problems, which is either karma upasana. When will I get Brahmanistha? Never. These things, most people who study Vedanta, they don't know how to use Vedanta. And they think Vedanta is to tell others that I am studying Vedanta or to quote something here, there. Vedanta is not for that. Let us say if I tell someone I am studying Vedanta, they will ask one question. Have your problems been solved by Vedanta? What will you say? If I have not understood how Vedanta solves my problem, I'll say no. I am as dukhi as I was. So then say, then at least you don't tell me that I should study Vedanta. So I will become a bad example of a student who studies Vedanta and does not know how to derive benefit out of it. I should know how to use Vedanta. Whenever any vikshepa is there in mind, first thing that should happen to me Now, when will this happen? This is another thing. When I said first thing that should happen to me is that I remember I am Brahma, I am not mind. Mind is different. Making mind as no mind. This is Vedanta. So now, when will this come to me? If I have not done enough abhyasa in peace time. In peace time, if I have not done abhyasa, in war time, that is never going to strike. In other words, I should have enough peace time first. In that peace time, all I should do is go on practicing this so that when non-peace time comes, when the trouble comes, I should know how to handle it with this knowledge. Otherwise, I will do the same thing I was doing before. I will remain at the same spot where I was. In Bhagavan's Srishti, I have not moved even a millimeter. I may say, but I studied this. In your buddhi, there is no prama. Earlier there was none, now also there is none. Means I should use this knowledge. My whole purpose is, when we study Vedanta, don't focus only on I know this shloka, I know this sutra, I know this vyakhya, I know this that. I should know how to get this triggered. That's all. Bhashyakar has clearly given here now. Nahi Vedanteshu Brahmatma Vijnanat Anyat Parama Purushartha Sadhanatvena Avagamya. Other than Brahmatma Vijnana, there is no Parama Purushartha Sadhana. How Brahmatma Vijnanam is Parama Purushartha Sadhanam, that you should know now. Or everyone should know. Atmanam eva ved tasmat tat sarvam abhavat. This is Brahadaranyaka 1:4-10. Yesterday some question came, one quotation was there. Atma eva idam sarvam. Atma eva idam sarvam is Chandogya 7:25-2. This is on page number 224. Atma eva idam. Fourth line in Bhashya. This is Chandogya 7:25-2. ब्रह्मविदाप्नोति परम. तैत्तिरीय ब्रह्मानंद सयो हवै तत्परमं ब्रह्मवेद ब्रह्मैव भवति. आचार्यवान पुरुषो वेद तस्य तावदेव चिरम अभयम हि वै ब्रह्म भवति य एवं वेद. इति एवं आदि श्रुति शतेभ्यः. In this way, hundreds of shrutis are there. शतेभ्यः. शत is ekvachanam or bahuvachanam? Ekvachanam. Shata is ekvachanam. After Vimshat, everything is ekvachanam. Panchadasha is bahuvachanam. But after 20 onward, everything is shatam ekvachanam. Third number tippani. Adina tameva viditva अतिमृत्युमेति नान्यः पंथा अयनाय विद्यते. ज्ञानमेव केवलं कैवल्य साधनं न निरोधः. श्रुति विरोधेन योग शास्त्रस्य अनवकाशत्वात् इति भावः. ज्ञानम alone is कैवल्य साधनम, not चित्तवृत्ति निरोध, because there is virodha with shruti. Nirodha has virodha. Yoga Shastra has no avakasha. Further, चित्तवृत्ति निरोधस्य मुक्ति हेतुत्वे अपि न विधेयत्वं विधिं विना तत् सिद्धेः इत्याह. Purva Pakshi says चित्तवृत्ति निरोध can be mukti hetu, but there will not be vidheyatvam. Vidhi vina also it is siddha. It is said ananya sadhanatvacha nirodhasya न हि आत्मविज्ञान तत्स्मृति संतान व्यतिरेकेण चित्तवृत्ति निरोधस्य साधनम अस्ति अनन्य साधनत्वाच्च न अन्यमिति अनन्य. So this is the same sadhana. निरोधस्य न हि आत्मविज्ञान तत्स्मृति संतान व्यतिरेकेण चित्तवृत्ति निरोधस्य साधनम अस्ति. चित्तवृत्ति निरोध by itself is not sadhana. आत्मविज्ञान तत्स्मृति संतान व्यतिरेकेण चित्त निवृत्ति निरोधस्य न साधनम. Means chittavritti nirodha is not sadhana, different from atmajnana. In atmajnana, atmavijnana and atmavijnana smriti santati, that is the sadhana. There you have to use chitta. Then now he will say, which we will see tomorrow, slightly different topic within this week. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.